Yes, what was in this video, Ibrahim?
So in this video, there are 5 points. The first one is the learn related rewards, and the second one is the identify to stop words, and third one the become less than emotional, and the fourth one is the developer, and fifth one is focus more skills and success.
Okay, Bushra, what was in the video?
Hello everyone, my name is Bushra. There are some points which everyone notice. They learn to delay, stop identifying as poor. They become less emotionally reaction. They develop a higher tolerance uncertainty. They focus more on skill than success.
Okay. Shefali ma'am, what was in the video? Shefali ma'am left the class. Sohani sister, are you there? What was in the video?
Bhaiya, I did not understand properly, but from this video, I noted 4 points. First one is they learn to delay reward, and second one is they stop identifying as poor, and third one is they became less emotionally react, and fourth last is they developed a high tolerance. That's it, Bhaiya.
That's great. Why are you not on camera? Okay, Vaira, what was in the video?
Sir, I can't watch the video because in between my network got lost.
Your network was lost. Okay, Vaira, that particular link has opened, is it?
Yes, sir,
Can you
it has
please
opened.
can you please share the screen for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. So if the link has opened, then we are going to learn a very beautiful chapter. Even in your school time, not a single teacher would have taught you that. But that's the chapter we have. Okay, chapter number 1, International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. Okay, English pronunciation and lesson number 1. Vaira, please scroll it a little bit. And okay, that's all. Suhani sister, please go ahead and read the paragraph. Read the paragraph. The
The,
international.
the, the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA in a short, will help you learn how to pronounce correctly each and every word in English. But first, you need to learn what it is and how to use it. Read the following explanation and watch the videos, answer the questions in the end to test your understanding.
Definitely. This is the chapter which is named as International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA in short. And in this chapter, we are going to learn many and many things. Okay, which is the work of a teacher in your school time, but they are not actually teaching us. There are many things, because in your school, in our schools, what the teacher has taught us, that A B C D E F G, right, up till Z, they had taught us this much only. But we have many more things to know in an international phonetic alphabet. There are 26 alphabets, we know it, right? 26 alphabet, A to Z. But how many sounds are there? There are 26 alphabet. How many sounds are there? There are total 40 sounds of these 26 alphabet. 40 different sounds. Vaira, please scroll it down. Yes. Now I would like to nominate Bushra. Please read all the things written over the screen. Ibrahim. Okay, Bushra, go ahead.
English language may have only 26 letters, but it has over 40 different sounds. You need to be familiar with each sound, and it is proper pronunciation in order for you to speak natural English. So how you can learn the sound of English? There is a special system that uses a group of symbols to represent each sound. Follow our tutorial to learn what sound each symbol indicate and how to pronounce that sound correctly. That way you will learn and practice the actual sound of English. Here is the place to mention that this tutorial cover American pronunciation only.
Covers. Yes, I told you, English language may have only 26 letters, but it has over 40 different sounds. More than 40 different sounds. You need to be familiar with each sound. You should know, you should be aware about all the sounds which are in this chapter, okay, and its proper pronunciation in order for you to speak natural English. If you want to learn, if you want to speak natural English, then you should be aware about those 26 alphabets and 40 different sounds, or more than that. There are many rules in this chapter, so you are going to learn many and many things. After learning this chapter, you will be more confident to speak English, and you will be more confident to tell anyone that there are many concepts in international phonetic alphabet, right? Okay, so how can you learn the sounds of English? How can you learn the sounds of English? There is a particular system, a special system that uses a group of symbols to represent each sound. There is a system of symbols, okay, which is representing each sound. Okay, there is a tutorial also. So follow the tutorial to learn what sound each symbol indicates and how to pronounce that sound correctly. That is only the way you will learn English and practice the actual sound of English. Now, here is the place to mention that this tutorial covers only American pronunciation. American pronunciation we are going to learn. Okay, scroll it down. Is it clear till now? Is it clear? Show me thumbs up if yes. Done. Okay, scroll down, Vaira. And others be on camera. You are just 4 people. I want to see you over the camera. Yes, some definitions are there, so I would like to invite Ibrahim here. Ibrahim, go and read the definitions.
Can you little bit zoom it?
You can zoom it by your hand, by your fingers.
Some definition. The system of symbols is called International Phonemic Alphabets or IPA in short. Phonetic means use special sign to represent to sound of speech. It comes from the Greek word phon, which means sound. Vowel is a sound we make when the breath flows, flows out through the mouth freely without being blocked. The English letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels because they represent sound. Such sounds. It comes from the Latin words vox, which means voice. Diphthongs is a vowel sound made by pronouncing two vowels quickly, one after the other. For example, the vowel sound in loud is uh, diphthong. It comes from the Latin words dip, diphthongus, which means two sounds.
Exactly. We have this, some definitions here. The system of symbols is called International Phonetic Alphabet. We know it very well. IPA in short. Okay. Phonetic. What is the meaning of phonetic? Using special signs to represent the sound of speech is known as phonetic. Okay. It comes from the Greek word phone, which means sound. There was a Greek word that was phone, and the meaning of phone was sound. So from there the word phonetic also came. Boil. Boil is a sound we make when we breathe flow out. When the breath flow out through the mouth freely without being blocked. The English letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels because they represent such sounds. It comes from the Latin word vox, which means voice. Now there is a thing to understand. They are saying that the breath flows out through the mouth freely without being blocked. Whenever you will speak A, E, I, O, U, you are not touching your lips, right? Whenever you are speaking A, E, I, O, U, you are not touching your lips. You are opening your mouth a little bit more and your sound is not blocking anywhere. There is no breaker whenever you are speaking these particular letters. Okay, your tongue is not speaking that particular sound or voice. But whenever you will speak B, can you speak it without touching your lips? Vaira, can you speak the letter B without touching your lips? Please.
Sir, sir, I can't say B.
You can't. Okay, Ibrahim.
No, sir. I
No,
can't say also.
you people would be trying like E. It will be E, but it will not be B. Okay, for speaking B, you should touch your lips one time. You can't speak T without putting your tongue down. Whenever you will speak T, your tongue will be touched over the like upper part of the mouth. Sir, there are 26 letters. There are 5 vowels including A, E, I, O, U, one special vowel Y, and 20 consonants. How can you say Y is a special vowel? How? Give me an example. Y. Y-E-S, yes. Now it is a consonant. Y-E-S, yes. Yes, whenever we are speaking yes, it is a consonant. Give me an example. When we use Y, sometimes we use yes and sometimes U. Y-O-U-U. U. Okay. I got it. What do you want to speak? I got it. I will tell you about it. Actually, in this chapter, you are going to learn about it. I got it. What do you want to say? Okay. That is not about why is a vowel. That is all about the sound. And we are learning sounds here. International Phonetic Alphabet. Keep a big side, please. Vaira. Keep your brother aside.
Sir is coming again and again. I am
Gi-
saying.
Give him a gift of this. Then he will go out. Okay.
So I think he's won this. I am not given from many days.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is boil. I hope it is clear to you. 5 vowels are there. Okay. Those are permanent vowels and there is no misconception about it. And whenever we are speaking vowels, the sound is not blocked. We are speaking freely. Freely. A, E, I, O, U. Without touching our lips, without touching our tongue over upper part of the mouth. But now comes the diphthong. What is diphthong? Diphthong is a vowel sound made by pronouncing 2 vowels quickly, one after the other. For example, the vowel sound in loud, L-O-U-D, O-U, continuously 2 vowels. Now this complete word is diphthong. Is a diphthong. It comes from the Latin word diphthongus, which means 2 sounds. I hope it is clear to you. Whenever we are speaking any word and it has continuously 2 vowels, that is known as diphthong. And in my nursery, LKG, UKG, first, second, third, no teacher told me this thing, that there is a particular word which is known as diphthong whenever we are repeating the vowels. Okay, and those can be different also, those can be same also. Like we can take many words. S-double-E-C. Now C word is a diphthong. Why? E and E, continuously 2 vowels. Okay. Okay. Now if we say any other word, then it would be would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. W-O-U. Would word is a diphthong. There can be many words. Reach. R-E-A-C-H. Reach is a diphthong. E-A, continuously. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Give me your examples, please. Write one word or two words which are known as diphthong. Okay, I will take your test also. Now we will continue this particular chapter, and it is a long chapter. You don't have to
Loon.
miss a single class. You have to write in the
Loon.
chat box. Rice. No, not rice. Continuously vowels. Pronunciation. CI. Yeah. LWSE. Yes, it is correct. Any other? Vaira. VAI. VAI. Vaira is a diphthong. AI. Right? Okay. Vaira is also Yadav, and Suhani's sister is also Yadav. Yaduvanshi. Okay. Write it down, please. Thought. THOUJ. Perfect. It is. It is a diphthong. Any other thing? Any other word? Peace. Perfect. Bout. Perfect. Vaira, write it down. What are you doing? Suspicious. Perfect. This is great. 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 Great is also a diphthong, right? Vaira, are you writing? Yes, sir. I'm writing. Meantime? What is meantime? Mealtime I had listened. Meantime. Okay, it can be. Yes, Vaira, would you like to scroll it? Others, is it clear? Tell me, show me thumbs up if yes. Now there is particular last paragraph which I'm not reading. Vaira would read about consonant, please.
So consonant is a word we make that is not a vowel. The breath in somehow blocked in its way out of the mouth. For example, the sound B is made with when breath flow is stopped when the lips. All the English letters which are not vowels are called consonants. These are B, C, D, A, G, H, J, K, L, N, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Right. Okay. Consonant. We know about consonant. What is a consonant? That is not a vowel. There are 21 consonants, right? The breath is somehow blocked. Whenever you will speak consonant, your breath will be blocked. Be on camera, everyone. Like, for examples are there: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, Q, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Whenever you will speak these letters, your ear or your voice would be blocked. Why? By your lips, maybe by your tongue, by the upper part of your mouth. Okay, and that's what written there. For example, the sound B is made when breath flow out is stopped with the lips. Your lips are the breaker for that particular consonant letter B. Okay, the English letters which are not vowels are called consonants. Definitely we know about it. Okay, so that's all about this particular chapter till now. Okay, we have covered only the 5% of the chapter. I think not 5% also. 2 to 3% we have covered. Till now, is there any problem? No? Vaira, you can unshare the screen, please. Okay. Yes. Tell me, Ibrahim, till now everything is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there something new?
Yeah,
What is that?
because I don't have any knowledge about the vowels.
Okay. Bushra, what was new for you? And till now, is everything clear?
Yes, sir, everything clear.
What was new for you?
Nothing, sir, I know that.
You know diphthong also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is great. So Hani sister, what about you? Is everything clear? And anything which was new for you?
भैया diphthong bird.
Okay, that was new for you. Okay, Vaira,
Yes, sir.
anything which was new for you?
Yes, sir. The chapter was new for me, but vowels, consonants, I know that, but I don't know that this consonant. So diphthong. That's why.
Yes, diphthong. Okay, so that was the thing. Till now, for today, we will keep this chapter here only. Okay, till here only, we will keep this chapter. Tomorrow, we will learn more about it because I will create the video and I will share it with you. You have to watch the video first, then you have to continue tomorrow's class. Okay, but now we are going to do some practice. So,